Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. So today I am not going to teach you anything. I am going to open my DT kit. Yes, I have selected as a DT, that is design team member for a wonderful craft store Craftgully, and I have received my first design team kit. So I'm just going to show you what all I have received in the kit. I also don't know what is inside this, so I am also very curious. So quickly I am opening it. I have selected as a quilling expert for their upcoming design team. So I'm sure she sent me something related to quilling, and as all of you know, quilling is my favorite art. So let's see what is inside this. So finally it is opened. Yes, so this is my DT kit, and quickly I am taking out everything from the box. Craftgully is based at Panjim, Goa, and they have beautiful craft store and awesome craft supplies in their store. If you want to purchase anything, I have given a link in description box. You can just go through that link. So quickly I am taking out everything from bubble wrapping, and then I will show you one by one each and everything in detail. So as you can see, there are loads of supplies I have received. So first of all, I have received this beautiful gift card, craft like no one's watching. Very true. You can do it with your heart, and whatever comes in your mind you have to apply on your craft. So the first thing I got is this quilling tool, which is very must for every quiller artist, and this is the needle tool which is useful to create typography quilling, or also this is very useful to create coils. So I'm just taking out it quickly. This is having very nice grip and a long pointed needle. And the other one is beautiful metal slotted quilling tool, which is the best way to create your quilling work very easy. So this is very nice metal slotted tool, and this is having very small gap between these two slots so that we can create intricate designs. Then I have received the perfect craft glue, which is very important for quilling, and also I got the perfect glaze to add shine and varnish to my quilling projects. Okay, so this is about the basic tools. And then I'm proceeding to the pattern paper. Yes, I have received these two beautiful 6x6 pattern paper packs. So one by one I will show you the different designs inside the packet. So this one is having beautiful floral prints called floral corsage, and they have violets, pinks, reds, whites, and different shades of floral backgrounds. So you can use these pattern papers to create cards, scrapbook layouts, or explosion boxes, envelopes. There are many more ideas, and you can just decorate it with these beauties. So this is about floral corsage, and the second one is having little geometrical design. Each pack contains 12 designer paper. So this is a tiled patterns, and they have orange, blue and white color combinations, and I'm just loving this color palette. Very vibrant and so beautiful. Now I have also received the basic cardstocks to create cards and many more things. So this is a craft sheet, and the other one is having assorted colors of cardstocks. So I'm showing you these colors. So I have received total 5 shades, and each shade I have got two sheets: pink, orange, green, blue and yellow. And these are just a beautiful quality to work with. Now it's time of my favorite part, that is quilling strips. So I have received beautiful shades of 2 mm quilling strips in basic colors like whites, blacks, reds, blue, and they are so vibrant, and I am just curious to work with these lovelies. They are very tiny, and if you want to make intricate designs or small designs, so this is very helpful to use 2 mm strips. They gives you very nice and perfect finishing. So they have beautiful range of 2 mm strips as well. Okay, I'm just loving this. Now the next one is 3 mm quilling strip family sets. Yes, you can get the different color family sets in the store. So I got one assorted color, then the pink family, blue family, yellow family, red family, then again a darker yellow family, darker pink family, then again one assorted one, and a brown family, and also dark blue family. So if you don't want to purchase single color packet, you can go with family packs. It will save your strips and also give you 2 shades of the color in one pack. And now it's time to show you my favorite quilling strip, that is 3 mm one. I mostly work with 3 mm strips in my projects, and I have received beautiful and very vibrant and very dark shades of quilling strips. These are just awesome and gorgeous. So I got hot pink, green, dark green, maroon, yellows, red, green, again different shades of browns. So I'm just loving each and every shade, and there are loads of ideas running in my mind right now, and I'm very curious to use these strips very soon. So see how beautiful the color palette is looking. And now I have received also some 5 mm strips. I usually don't use 5 mm, just I need them when I create 3D models. So I have received some basic shades of 5 mm color strips like peach color, black, and some basic shades to create 3D models. So they are also having the fabulous quality. So this is all about my DT kit unboxing and my craft haul, and in future you will gonna see beautiful projects using these items or these products. So this is about my craft haul. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.